GTP, high quality parts at the best price.
Hello viewers, this is Ana Teresa from GTP, and today we're going to talk about air filter. The basic function of a filter is to clean the air that circulates through heating and cooling system. Air filters are designed to prevent debris from entering an engine's cylinders, where it will cause mechanical wear to your tractor and oil contamination. This set is composed by two elements, internal and external filter, to guarantee the retention of all types of particles. It fits case 580 SLE, 580 Super L/L and Series 2. Also, we can find this filter in several forklifts. Thanks for watching this video. Remember that you can find this and more parts in globaltractorparts.com. Remember, GTP, high quality parts at the best price.